actually in the office at work today. So my eldest daughter is in school right now. She only has a half day today though. So I'm going to pick her up in like 2 hours from now. I'm just having my first cup of coffee and my second is chilling right there. I just nursed her, so she's good for a little bit, but in a few minutes we're gonna go upstairs because it's time for her nap. So yeah, I just wanted to take this time to say hi to the vlog and start the morning here. Sometimes I forget that you can't blow your nose yet. Yeah, there, that's actually blowing your nose. Yeah. I know, but we need to get rid of it. We need to get rid of it though, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
The nuts, the oatmeal, the oats, sorry, the cocoa powder, sugar, maple syrup, and like a really huge tub of coconut oil. And this is almost finished actually as well, so Yummy? Did you read the book? Did you read the book? Is it nice? Did you see the other books in the bag? Yeah? Do you have that in your kitchen? The parade from Carnival? You didn't pass by the street? Our street.